Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. This video is for the Seba students from the poem The Animal by Walt Whitman. Here are a few assertion and reasoning based questions. Question number 1. Assertion. The speaker in the poem has deep appreciation for animals. Reason. The speaker describes animals as so placid and self-contained. So the correct answer is both assertion and reasoning are correct. A, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation. Yes, A is the correct answer. Now question number 2. Assertion. The poem suggests that human can learn from animals. Reason. The speaker notes that animals do not sweat and whine about their conditions. Now option A, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation for A. B, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation for A. C, A is correct but R is incorrect. D, A is incorrect but R is correct. The correct answer will be B. Both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation. Question number 3. Assertion. The speaker in the poem is critical of human society. Reason. The speaker describes humans as sweating and whining about their condition. Options. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation. So this is the correct answer. Option A. Now question number 4. Assertion. The poem does not follow regular rhyme or meter. Question. Reasoning. The poem does not follow a regular rhyme or meter. Assertion. The poem is written in free verse. Yes. Both A and R correct and R is the correct explanation. Here option A is the correct answer. Question number 5. Assertion. The speaker in the poem feels a sense of connection with the animals. Reason. The speaker says, I think I could turn and live with the animals. Option A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation. Here is also A is the correct answer. So students, you have seen that assertion or reasoning are quite easy. You have to understand and read the poem. Please read your text, guidebooks and suggestions from your teachers, professors, and of course, use your own brain. Welcome. Have a nice day.